What is the biggest gift we can give our children? A child who's entering school now will face a real world in 2040. Can even predict how the world will look like then? Will the technology that we're using now will be relevant then? For sure, no. But I'm pretty sure about one thing. We need people with superpowers. Those human innate skills like creativity, problem solving, communication, critical thinking, and many more. But are we really providing a learning environment for children to build these essential skills? Not really. You may ask, who will do that? Hands-on Skills Tournament Host was exactly designed to build these essential superpowers in children. Host is a combination of STEAM and life skills. Students of Host will solve challenges, work on hands-on projects, understand concepts in a more practical way, work as a team, learn through failures, and many more. By doing this, they are also building those essential superpowers in them and also discovering themselves and their passion. Children are not only our future, they are also our present. Let's give them the biggest gift of a learning experience that will empower them to make this world a better place to live in. Join the Host family now.